Oh my God, it's beautiful out here today, man. So nice. Like, I don't even got the jacket on today. So, man, y'all see the title, man. I know y'all see the thumbnail, baby. I'm putting a pedal commander on the car today. So I didn't watch no YouTube videos on how to install, so y'all going through the install with me, because it's gonna be the first time I do it, and hopefully it's help anybody else who's looking for it, because I really want to see if this thing works. I've been seeing a lot of stuff on it. Oh damn, let me see if I could get this right. I know I've been seeing a lot of videos on it, so I want to see if it worked. Hopefully the shit do, because my car got a lot of lag. I knew that was gonna happen. Alright, hold on. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen, because the instructions tell you to leave the key fob, I think 20 feet away. So alright, so let's start with this, y'all. So boom, that's what today about, man, the pedal commander. Now, before we get into this installation, this does not add horsepower. It does not add horsepower, y'all. So what this does is basically control your throttle body, so it gives it more of a response, so it can let in more air. Basically, if you have a lag on your car, what this does is eliminate the lag. So the first instruction tells you to turn off the ignition. If y'all can see that, I don't know. Oh, let me get some light in there. Yeah, there we go. So first instruction, turn off ignition. If your vehicle has keyless entry, keep the key fob at least 35 feet away from the vehicle. So what I did was I just unlocked the car from inside the house, and I left my key fob in the house. So I'll probably be back in 5 minutes. Hopefully get a system time to come turn off, and then we'll be back. Alright, so that red tab, all you gotta do is get your finger in there and pull on it, and it'll come out. See, just like that. You pull the red tab out. I don't know if y'all can see that real well, but okay, there we go. I pulled the red tab out. All you do is pull it out, and boom, that's it. See, it's loose now. So now with the pedal commander, you take this piece and you plug it into the part you just unplugged, and then this piece goes into the pedal connector part. So hopefully y'all can see that. I don't know how great that is, but I'm gonna plug this up real quick. All right, so I got everything plugged up. All you gotta do now, all you gotta do now is move it somewhere you want to move it. So I'm gonna just put it up here, because we're gonna be playing with it while we're driving. That's pretty much it. Alcohol wipe, clean area. We don't need to do it like, because I'm gonna put some Velcro on it, but that's really it. You just connect in those two pieces. So I don't know if you can see them, but you connect in those two pieces. Let me see. Let me see if I can help you see that. So you got the connectors up there plugged in. So I'm gonna turn it off while it's parked. So if you just tap the pedal, see how it's really not moving? I'm just tapping it and it's really not moving. You know, it's not giving that much of a throttle response. So I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna go to Sport plus 4. Now watch when I tap the pedal this time. Look at that. That's crazy. Mind you, I'm not even driving yet, so I can't imagine how it's about to be while I'm driving. This is the response from just a standstill, just a tap. Sport plus 3. Oh damn. I ain't gonna lie, throw your head back. Oh shit. Oh my God, yo, Day and night difference. I barely have to push the pedal. Literally, that's just my big toe. Let me see. We'll drop it a second. Damn. Oh yeah, it's way more of a pedal, way more of a response. Damn, it actually kind of sound better too. I'm gonna put it in. Hold on. Let me put it in. Let's put it in sport. I want to see how I react to the better shit. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, it pulled. It definitely pulled. And this is in what is this in? This is in sport 3. Dang. Oh yeah. So, damn, it's torquey too. Oh my god. Alright, so literally any little bit of a push to the pedal, it will downshift real quick. Oh my god. So as I'm pushing the pedal, I want y'all to see. Y'all can hear it. I'ma lightly tap it. Literally, it's almost throwing me back in my seat, and I'm barely pushing the pedal. Sport Plus and just 1. Let's see what that do. Damn, that shit torquey like a mug. Oh yeah, it's ready to go. Damn. I'm gonna have to go somewhere, man, where there's no cars. I want to test this junk out. Oh my god. God damn. Woo! Yo, I am not gonna lie to y'all. It feels way better. And like I said, you barely have to touch the pedal. We're in Sport Plus 1. Let me go to Sport Plus, like, let me see, 2. Downshift. Oh shit, yo. Oh man, this shit is crazy. Yo, I recommend if you get this, do not floor it in like real low gears. It's definitely gonna pull. It's way more torquey. I definitely will say that it is way more torque. Oh shit. Yo, this is kind of almost too much. Oh man, that shit feel nice. Sport Plus plus 4, you gotta lightly, real lightly put your foot on the pedal, cause it'll. Oh damn. Yeah, so my back tires sound like they kinda trying to catch up. Yo, so Sport Plus 3 and up, way too much. Way too much for like regular street driving. I would consider, you know, regular sport mode in 2 or 3. And then if you really want to be crazy, Sport Plus, I would stay in 1 and 2, because, oh shit, damn. Let me see. Oh shit. Damn. Oh. Yo, if you've been looking to get the pedal commander, it's well worth it. Well worth it. Oh, now I think I see what some people were saying about the downshift. If you leave it in the automatic mode and don't put it in sport mode, it definitely downshifts way better. Damn. Yo. It worked, man. It definitely worked. Like I said, Sport Plus is too much. Regular sport mode, anywhere from 3 and 4 is good for regular driving. City, if you're gonna be doing a lot of like stop and go traffic, do city plus 3 or 4. Perfect. For fun driving, anywhere from regular sport to sport plus 3 and 4. Cause it, honestly, I wouldn't recommend sport plus for a lot of traffic, cause it's kind of unsafe. Even a little, like I said, a little throttle will have it jumping and jerky, because if you keep letting it go and keep tapping it, it'll really like keep jerking. So I think sport plus 3 and 4 is kind of unsafe for traffic driving. Keep it in sport 1 or 2. That's what I would do. But I like this, man. It definitely was fun. It brought the fun back into this car. So there it is, man. If y'all looking for this, I would look. And it's really small too. They make it seem like it's really big on a box, but it's really compact, nice and small. You can literally tuck this anywhere and hide it up underneath there anywhere. So I would recommend this, man. I would tell any of my friends that got a lag and they're into like more of a racing type feel, I would tell them to get it. So that's it, y'all. Pedal Commander. I hope y'all liked this video, because it was definitely, it was fun for me. I'm like, damn, I haven't drove my car like that in a while. I haven't felt that feeling. You know, you get that feeling when you first buy the car, it feels like everything's perfect, and then the longer you drive the car, it feels like it loses this and that, you know, it loses some type of feel to the car. But this Pedal Commander, it definitely brings that feel back to the car. So Amazon, I've only seen it everywhere for 300 bucks. I didn't pay 300 for mine. I got mine from a member for a great price. I think I paid 170, 175 for it. So way better than 300 bucks. So, but if I know I watched a video, there's a coupon flying around somewhere for 30% off if you guys are looking for it. But that's all I got for y'all today, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. I hope y'all like this video. The Pedal Commander, baby. It was it was definitely a surprise. I didn't think it was gonna work. Pedal Commander, y'all. This video is over. Check this out. Even if you don't like it, I think they got a nice return policy on it, so check it out. I would definitely put it on. Again, it does not add horsepower. It only, basically what it does is it releases more response to your throttle body, so that once you push that pedal, you can take off immediately instead of having to wait for it to catch up. This eliminates that lag. So I hope y'all like this video, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. Stay tuned. This was, oh man, I really don't even want to end the video, because this is cool. So I'm probably gonna do some more driving even though this video is over. I'm probably gonna go take another quick drive. So one more time, I don't know how many times I'm gonna do this outro, but peace, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. I'm out, y'all. Peace.